Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video we'll learn what Python is, its history, features, application, advantage, and why it is most popular among the people. So let's get started. At first we see the definition of Python. Python is a high level programming language that allows programmers to write code in simple and readable way. Unlike some other languages like C++, Java, Python focus on simplicity, making it a good choice for beginners because it is interpreted means it execute code line by line and which makes testing and debugging easier. Now we see the history of Python. From as we see, Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s and officially released in 1991. Interestingly, the name Python was inspired by a British comedy show called Monty Python Flying Cards Circus. The goal was to create a language that was powerful but easy to understand. Now we see why Python is very popular among people. As we see, easy to learn. Python is very easy language for beginners and it became popular because of its simple syntax. Even people will no programming experience can start learning it quickly. It is a huge community and thousands of libraries that help developers build applications faster. Now we see the main features of Python. Readable, easy to read, interpreted language, the code executed line by line, cross platform. You write your code whether it is better on Windows, Linux or Mac OS. Open source. Python is not paid language, it is free for everyone, free to use. Object oriented. Support modern programming concepts. Now we see first Python program language. This is the first program most beginner learns. The print function in this program displays text on the screen. Here Python print the message hello world. Now we see the what are the applications of Python and where Python is used. Web development. If you want to build website and web application in future, then Python is a good language for you. Data science, data analysis and visualizations, AI and machine learning, modeling and training with TensorFlow, Python Torch, automation and scripting, game development. If you want to develop a game in future, then you can start trying with Python. Cybersecurity. Now we see some Python libraries. NumPy, Pandas, TensorFlow, OpenCV are the most common used Python libraries. Now we see Python frameworks. Frameworks are collection of tools that help developers to build application faster. Django, Flask, and Fast API are among the most widely used Python frameworks. Last but not least, many leading technologies companies use Python because it allows fast development and handles large scale applications effectively. The companies should are Google, Netflix, Instagram, Spotify, Dropbox. So guys, thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe.